my girlfriend.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the first supplement I take is vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is so essential for your immune system, so I make sure I take it every single day. Now you have to take this supplement with a fat, any type of fat, like avocados, cashews, almonds, anything like that. It would really absorb well in your body. So the second supplement I take is collagen. Collagen is so essential for your immune system. It is really good for your joints, good for your hair, skin, and nails, and most importantly for your gut. I mean, your gut is actually made of 70% of collagen. So if you're deficient, you will see some issues. I take a brand called NeoCell, and I also mix it in with some organic orange juice. This is cold pressed orange juice from a company called Evolution. I love it because it doesn't have any additives or any, fake natural flavors, anything like that. So yeah, you just basically put it in your cup, put some orange juice, and then take your nice little scooper, 1 scoop of collagen, then you will put it in your cup and then you'll mix it very, very well. This could get kind of chunky if you don't mix it properly. So just make sure that you mix it very well so it could, dissolve and solidify and just absorb well in your system. So if you want to sustain muscle mass, you're going to have to eat the correct foods. So the first thing I eat to break my fast is oatmeal. I eat the Nature's Path organic and gluten-free brown sugar maple oatmeal. It has so many vitamins and minerals, so I highly suggest this brand. So I take boiling hot water and I just basically put 1 to 2 sachets of oatmeal in the pot. You can do any measurements that you'd like. And then, I just cook it, let it sit for a while. And that's exactly how I like my oatmeal. I like it thick. I don't like to add anything. I don't like to add any milk or anything like that. So it's exactly how I like it. And yeah. So to accompany my oatmeal, I add some fruit. Fruit is loaded with antioxidants, so you really should be eating it every single day. So I actually sliced some peaches, I added some grapes, some pineapples. I also have some strawberries and blackberries. I know it's a lot of fruit, but it's very healthy and also very delicious. So to accompany the oatmeal, we have to add a protein. So I'm using organic cage-free eggs. It doesn't have any hormones, any pesticides. So we're gonna, dump 2 eggs in a bowl, and then we're gonna add a few dashes of black pepper. Mix it very well, and then you're gonna base your pan with olive oil. And then pour your eggs in it, depending on how you like it. If you like it over easy or if you like it well done, just cook it as long as you like. Then I added some kale. So to prevent our muscles from growing atrophic, we have to eat a quality protein. So I am eating fresh, wild caught salmon. Don't get the farm-raised salmon. It has colors, hormones, additives, all types of nasty things that you don't want in your body. So now you're going to preheat your oven at 450 degrees. And then you're going to add garlic, onion powder, salt and pepper, olive oil, and slices of lemon. And you're just going to smother that all over the salmon. This is so tasty. I've been doing this for several years now, and I actually can't make salmon differently. So many people actually add onions, like fresh onions and fresh garlic. But if you just have the powdered version, that is fine too. So while the salmon is cooking in the oven, you're going to chop 1 whole onion, chop it in small pieces, and also chop about 2 cloves of garlic. Then you're also going to chop some carrots. I get the 365 brand version of organic carrots. And then so set it aside, and then we're going to put some olive oil in a pan, heat it up, and then pour your onions and your garlic in your pan. So then also put a dash of onion powder, curry powder, and salt and black pepper. And then also put it while that is cooking and browning. You want to just make sure that you cook it very well. Don't burn it. So I would say put it to like a medium or low heat. So once the onions and garlic has browned, you want to add your carrots. And so you're just going to basically saute your carrots in the pot. So now we're going to take one medium-sized tomato and one large bell pepper, and we're going to chop it into very small pieces. And then you're going to add it to your mixture with the carrots, the onions, the garlic, and you're also going to saute that for just a few minutes. So while your mixture is sauteing, you're going to add some organic 365 spaghetti, and you're going to put in some boiling hot water and let it cook. So for my sauce, I use the Lucini Rustic Tomato Basil Organic Sauce. You can use fresh tomatoes, but I like this because it doesn't have any additives in it. As you can see, it literally just has fresh tomatoes, basil, vegetables like carrots, onions, olive oils, sea salt, literally like no additives like, your general Prego or other brands like that. So now you're going to add that to your sauteed mixture. Add as much as you like or as little as you like, depending on how saucy that you like your spaghetti. And then you're just going to mix it up on medium to high heat. I wouldn't put it too high because you don't want it to burn, but you do want to put it on a relatively higher heat than normal. You're going to let the sauce cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until it gets, real nice and tender. So once the spaghetti is finished, you're going to drain any excess water and pour it in your spaghetti sauce mixture. Mix it very, very well on low heat. And this is the final result. It is so tasty, so flavorful. I promise you guys, you're going to love it. And then you're gonna take your salmon out the oven. This is the final result. So I like to add rib rack barbecue sauce. I really like this sauce because it has 100% natural ingredients. It doesn't have any corn syrup, anything like that. So trust me, you guys would like this very flavorful sauce that you could put on top of your salmon. So if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.